Now this car's an exceptional Range Rover Sport, 2018, 3-litre diesel, Hse Dynamic, one owner from new, only done 16,500 miles. The colour, and I've said it before, is one of my favourite colours, Carpathian Grey, stunning colour. It's got the big upgraded 22-inch wheels, it's got the fixed side steps, and it's got that stunning ivory interior. It's just a fantastic example of a Range Rover. £54,990, £80,000 new. This car's a one-owner car, like I said, full Land Rover history, and only done 16,500. It's a Dynamic, so people sometimes always ask me what's the difference from a HSE to a Hse Dynamic. The big one is the bumpers, so you get dynamic bumpers, you're getting more of an extended colour-coded front bumper on the front, and in the colour Carpathian Grey with the grille and the badging, it just looks stunning. The big extra 22-inch gloss black wheels, they set the car off fantastically well. It's, you know, and they're your Land Rover wheels, so you've got to be careful. People buy 20-inch wheels on a Range Rover Sport, then they'll add the wheels because they don't want to pay the expense up front. They're £2,500 option, it's got them. I love the way it's been broken up, so it's Carpathian. The inserts are silver and black on the bonnet. You've then got the privacy glass and then the wheels. I just think it all works really, really well. And on the Dynamic, you get a dynamic rear bumper as well, so you get that extra section colour-coded along the back. It's broke up, it looks superb, but this car's all about, for me, the condition and the miles, because 16,500 miles, it's all been serviced by Land Rover, it's all keyless, and then it's got that beautiful ivory interior. The other key thing on a Dynamic as opposed to a HSE, you get this smaller leather dynamic steering wheel. Beautiful inside. It's got the glass roof inside as well, which just brightens the car up. You've got like things like the illuminated kick plates. It's all keyless, like I said. It's just a beautiful example. And they always are. When they're one owner, 16,500 miles, you always get that feeling that it's a lovely, crisp car, especially when they've all been serviced properly. Other things that you would expect, we've got all our digital controls on here, your cruise control, your multifunctional steering wheel. You've got your touchscreen navigation system, which has got your in-control apps, it's got your camera, it's got your Apple CarPlay. If we go into our seats, we've got your heated seats, driver and passenger. And then, with it being the Dynamic as well, you've got the extra dynamic program there, so you can put it into that. The car will then perform that little bit more of a sportier, rigid drive, but a dynamic drive, if you like. But the car is, it's all about, for me, the colour combination. Carpathian Grey with that beautiful ivory inside. Again, look at it in the back. All the original matte, rear heated seats. The back leather is like it's never, ever been sat in. And this car's 3 years old, so it's done 4,000 miles a year. Great colour. Everything's work. It's just a lovely car. Electric tailgate. Great boot space on the spot. Split folding seats. Big twin exhausts. Just a lovely example. Wheels are absolutely unmarked. Tyres, matching Pirelli tyres all round. All the things that show you that a car's been looked after. Beautiful xenon headlights at the front there. What a car. It's going on the website now, 54,990. Ring me, call me, WhatsApp. I can answer any of your questions. That's a fabulous example of a Range Rover.